because I like the people. I like my bosses. I like the people I work with. I've been here 32 years this year. So I guess I still like it, and I like the kind of freedom that we have, but still the responsibility and the balance of both. Yeah.
For me, it's constant learning process, and I really like this because I'm never getting bored.
Having a kind of self-maintaining staff has really been great. Everybody is kind of like going for the same thing. Some places, some people are just there for a paycheck, and I think here everybody's working to make things better, which is something you don't always find.
Here everybody kind of has to work together, and it's nice to actually have that, because if you're having a bad day, you can kind of lean on someone else to help you out through the day.
It's like we're like a little family and we're growing together.
It's just very nice place to work. Here it's like nice people. The job what we are doing is like really interesting. Almost every day something new.
This is one of the best jobs that I've ever had, because the people are great and your bosses are, really good, and you don't find that a lot.
I really sincerely like the people I work for. I really like Neil and Rafael personally, and then also professionally. They give all of us the freedom and sort of the autonomy to make decisions that are in the best interest of the company.
Oh, I mean, one of my favorite things about this company is not just like the people that we work with every day, but how involved ownership is with the company.
I like this place because ownership empowers you to do things, but they don't just tell you you're empowered. They actually step out of the way and allow you to take control.
I also like to find out like what's the product we're doing is for, because I feel like a part of something big, like we're really changing world in here.
You get exposed to things and you get exposed to people that would blow your mind. You can't believe you're working on something that is so important.